A day in the life shopping as a stay-at-home son in SoCal. Okay, we went to Chanel today shopping. This little preview of what I got. Okay, we're gonna be there in a sec. Oh, oopsies. Okay, so I started with it. This was my fit. I did my vlog of what I was gonna wear today and tried on some new clothes that I have not worn from my closet. So it's new shirt, new pants, shorts, and then I was on my way. Okay, and 2 bags, whatever. Anyway, got to Chanel, and there's a bunch of traffic. Okay, so waiting for my essay. Again, this is my fit. Looking at a little nano shopper thing. That was kind of cute. I was here actually for my friend who wanted to get a wallet on chain for his wife and asked me to help him pick something out for her because he has no, idea about any of this stuff. So I went shopping for him. So he wanted something like this. I saw this white one, and then my essay brought me to the closet and showed me all the different options, which are way too many. I kind of really like this one. Then I got distracted, of course, and wanted to look at my stuff for myself because I love me. I love shopping for me. You know what I mean. And so I went back to look at the glasses, which I've been looking at for a while. I want to get a new pair of glasses, and I couldn't decide between this red pair and this black and red pair. So I ended up getting both. So then back to what I needed to get for him. So we looked at some of these wallets on chains. I asked him which one he wanted while I was waiting for his response. Got some coffee. I think he was leaning towards this one. I think that one's the best one too. They also showed me these limited edition, makeup sets that they have right now going on in Chanel. And they're only at Chanel. They're not at the department stores. There's this orange one with all these little plush thingies and stuff like that. And then this green one with this cute little green lunch sack, but then it's got weirder stuff inside. Well, there's matching green eyeshadow and then other things. I was thinking about getting this as a gift for my mom or my sister. I didn't know. I thought the green was kind of weird, so I ended up getting with the orange. You can tell from the bag that I got the orange one. And then I liked those glasses, but I was debating about another pair of glasses, and I had an eye appointment to go to. So here's leaving to go to Neiman's. I went to Neiman's, back to Neiman's, where I saw that first pair, and I ended up getting another pair here because they didn't have them at the Chanel boutique. So here's me walking over to Neiman's, waiting for my essay. And while I was here, I actually saw 3 girls with beautiful Hermès bags, so I had to film all of them. I think I filmed all of them. Maybe I didn't film all of them. This is me waiting for my essay. I got the glasses and got something else for myself. And we can unbox those later. I saw this lady with this little Constance slim wallet, and this lady with this Kelly. And I was trying to not, film. I was awkwardly filming. Oh, here's a better shot of her. Yeah. There's this Kelly 25 in gold, and it was really cute, actually. I think it's 25. I think it's the same as mine. Anyway, manifesting this for my next trip to Paris, which I'm going to soon. Hopefully, we'll get another bag. And this is everything I got. And we'll do an unboxing in a little bit. Yay, I got a water to go. And no, wait. I went to my eye doctor and tried on 2 more pairs of glasses. And then I took these glasses. I didn't actually take them yet, but I tried these 2 Dior glasses, so I don't know if I want to get those. I kind of really like those too. I don't know. Anyway, this is everything I got. We'll do an unboxing later. Okay, bye.